Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? I am out here. This is on Dome Rock Road. Right over there is Quartzsite. Right there. And actually Dome Rock is right there. Anyway, taking a ride in the van. I'll give you a little overview of what's been done in case you haven't seen the earlier videos. Pretty much the major build is over. I'm going to call it over. Yeah. But I've gone as far as I'm going to take it for now. Now it's time to put it together, like all the little details, you know, what you're going to put in your storage bins and all that. But let me get the list out and go through what's been done and what hadn't. As soon as I find it, there it is. Get my little stool out. But doesn't it look good? Look at that couch bed. I just love that thing. And them storage containers, these little milk carton things. Good enough for now. I tried to utilize everything I had. I tried not to buy too much. One thing, I didn't want to spend the money. Cost more. Let's check out the list here. Okay, here we go. My famous checklist. Okay, first on the list is dash mount. Yay. Dash mount is done. Look at it. Turned out good. I basically just screwed it on top of the engine cover. This way I could hard mount the phone, iPad, satellite radio. I got satellite radio hooked to this little portable chargeable. That way I can take the radio outside and listen to it. This I made into like a glove box. There are no glove boxes in a van, so that works out good. Got all my paperwork in here. Put a drink. So the dash mount all worked out good. Okay, next on the list. Battery box, carpet. Carpet turned out great. I was able to get it quite a ways up underneath around the engine cover and underneath the driver's seat. The battery box is sitting on top of the carpet, which is okay. Good soundproofing, insulation. I bought these little rugs here at Walmart. They're only like 10 bucks. I got 3 of them. So if I track in any kind of dirt, all I do is clean the little mat off. I don't have to worry about cleaning the carpet. Okay, bed, all that. I'm sitting on it. My couch bed. I love this thing. Made to frame. Roof rack will go outside in a minute. Solar, all that wiring. Curtains. Curtains, I got the extra snaps. I'm going to add more snaps and get them a little tighter along the window. You know, one thing bad about Quartzsite, you're so limited. There's nowhere to get supplies. You got to drive 80 plus miles one way, either Lake Havasu or Phoenix. So you're kind of really stuck ordering online here in Quartzsite. Kind of hinders supplies sometimes. Slows up a little project too. Anyway, the curtains are done. We'll call them done. Window tint will go outside. Lights. I haven't added any lights yet. There will be one. I'm going to put it right on the front of the battery box. That'll tie into the batteries. That'll be a LED. It'll be like an RV light. Then off the inverter, I'm going to run an extension cord. And I have 2 clamp-on lights that I'll use. And both those are LED as well. And there'll be plenty of lighting in here. Other than that, I am not going to run any more wiring inside here. Okay, couch bed frame. I'm sitting on it. Storage. I got these guys right here at Home Depot. They're extremely well built. I like the lids. I've added this rubber mat to it. Keep stuff from sliding around. The only thing yellow color is, you get used to it. Maybe if I'm bored one day, I'll try to spray paint them or something. But other than that, I really don't care. I just wanted something that's really thick. They're very thick and sturdy. This one, I already got camera gear in it. This one here has the porta potty and the 12-volt fan. And I have a smaller one that I'll use for clothes. And go from there. I might get one more, who knows, if I have room. This little stuff will come in time. I got plenty of time. You know that cargo trailer, I've had it 3 years and I've remodeled it 3 times. But once again, in this van, I made everything to come out of here. I do not want to permanently mount anything in here because I don't know how long I'll have this van for. Probably it's not a real regret because I got a pretty decent price on this thing, is buying a passenger van with all the windows. If I ever had a do-over, I'd definitely invest in a cargo van with metal sides instead of all the window and glass. Because you really lose a lot of capability unless you want to build a bunch of wood framing for shelves. And I'm not going to get into that with this van at this time. If I was going to keep this long term, yes. But once again, I don't know how long I'll keep this. Okay, so on our list, let's take it with us. See if I can make it out here. Okay, we did the battery box carpet, roof rack, a little stool. Roof rack turned out good. It clips right on the edge here, the roof line. Someone says easy to steal. No way. You'd steal the van first. Also, a lot of people had concerns. I did attach on this side of the solar panel. Those are actually clips that come with the solar panel. They're drilled, self-tapped in there and also into this pipe. I additionally added a screw on each side of the pipe to make it super solid. Also, because that storage container I bought was too big, I'm going to custom make a area here for storage. That'll be another video and that'll be down the road. Once again, I had to order parts for that. But everything's going to be right here. Solar panel and storage. And up here, basically, it's going to be like tools, that kind of thing. Anything fragile, like cameras and clothes, will be down here. This will be more like tools and camping supplies, that kind of thing. Okay, solar panels up. Everything's fastened and it is tight. The roof rack's in. Window tint. RV Pepper Wayne, he really stepped up to the plate and helped me out get all this tint on. This is 5% limo tint. Super dark, but that's what I wanted. It knocks down a ton of the heat coming in. The day we were putting on the sunny side, you could just feel the temperature drop as the tint went on. It was amazing. So between that, these curtains are also lined, has a liner on them. Nice and cool in here. Okay. Couch bed frame right there. It is secured to the floor. Once again, the wood floor, the wood underneath here that I added. Everything's secured to that. And then the little milk crates. Yeah, someone said a comment that their wives thought I should take these labels off, and I wrote back, it's a guy thing. Maybe someday. And then storage. Right there. We covered it. All in all, I am a happy camper. I'm ready to use this thing a little bit. Do a little test run in it, maybe in a week or two. I still have a little bit of work left around quartzsite I got to clean up and finish. But this thing's ready to go out and test the waters. And I have a lot of little odds and ends, like setting up the camera gear, a little bit of clothing. I don't need to take a lot with me. Maybe some kitchen utensils, that kind of stuff, you know, just minor. The van itself, I will tell you this, it's a 2008, it's 11 years old. It's, I'm gonna say worn out, but it's been used. So that's why I said I'm making this stuff removable, because I don't know how long I will keep this van. If I upgrade vans, everything in here can come out. Passenger seat would go right back in. Even the carpet would leave, and it'll look just like it did before. But the only thing I'd leave behind are the snaps in plastic, and so be it. Just an old van. Okay, well, I appreciate everyone following along so far. I'm gonna fly the drone real quick, get an aerial shot of the van here. And check out, look how green everything is here. This is, what, mid-March. There's gonna be a lot of flowers pop up. All we need is a little bit of hot weather. Definitely go out and get that. You can see way off there, there's some yellow. But in another couple weeks, there'll be yellows and purple and oranges and all over the place. Welcome to the desert. Oh yeah, check this out. I forgot. I'm supposed to review this thing. And I'm going to. It's a Jackery portable power station. This is gonna be really good when I'm out and about. It can charge off the battery box. Then I can charge camera batteries. They even show it'll run a TV. So I'm definitely going to do a review on this. There will be a discount code actually that comes with this and everything else. So that'll be coming up soon. Alrighty, well, thanks for following along. This is kind of an update of where we're at on the van right now. This is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon. Take care.